All right, pilots, rearm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races. Let's start with 8 and get them all through that gate.
All right, guys, let's see. Looks like we already lost SFPV and Flying J. We're about to come across the start-finish line for our first two pilots. Realize. Let's see. All right, we got Cha leading the way. He's on his 3rd lap right now. 2 laps in so far. 3 seconds left. When you cross, you will be done. That is time. These pilots are trying to get 3 consecutive laps to get in our top 64. All right, guys, when you cross, you will be done. Cha, he got you. All right, looks like all our pilots are down. Let's retrieve some quads. Paul, you